wasn't working. Basically, the yellow light would come on. I'd press random buttons, turn it on and off, try to press the buttons in certain ways to see if I could get them to react to, so I could get that little green light on the dash. And it wouldn't come on, and I had no, my cruise wouldn't set or anything that you'd expect from cruise control. Ended up changing my brake control switch, brake light control switch, which is located on the brake pedal at the top. It's just one bolt and one plug in the front, and it's pretty straightforward fix and pretty inexpensive. I'm pretty sure I got the new switch off Amazon for around $20. I'll put a link in the description. But I was reading online that other people having a similar cruise control issue where the yellow light itself would turn on but not the green light on the dash. Also fixed theirs with the brake light switch on the brake pedal by swapping that out. Anyway, I'll put a link to what worked for me in the description. It's been working for a couple weeks now. So anyway, hopefully